Welcome back, you maniacs. Thanks for showing all the love to the Spotify extension and things up to just about 100 downloads already in the first few days. Today we're going to waste about 5 minutes of your day to download Speaker.bot if you don't already have it installed, show you how to set up a speech engine, make a voice alias, and then ultimately create a text-to-speech channel point reward for Twitch. Without further ado, sit back, shut up, and follow the clicks. Alright, we're going to cruise on over to Google Chrome. Head to SpeakerBot website. On the homepage here, we'll see the nice blue rocket for get started. And then SpeakerBot right here can be downloaded by pressing that middle button on the screen. Once you download it, it's going to bring it over to your downloads folder. You'll see we've got it in here. We need to extract all. So we're going to browse and we're going to put this right here on the C drive. Select the folder, and I'm going to make a folder called SpeakerBot. Voila, SpeakerBot in our C drive. And here's all the things, look very familiar to StreamerBot. Double click to open it, you'll get the warning from Windows, more info. It says SpeakerBot.exe, run it anyway. Full send. And once that happens, you'll be on your SpeakerBot. Let's go to settings here and tie our Google account, or our Twitch account. Look, is this you? Yes, it is. All right, authorize it. Logged in successfully, so we can close that out. We can close this one out. And we need to go to the Speech Engines tab next, which is right here next to Account. And then press Add. It does support all of these different services. All of these other ones are subscription-based. Some of them are free, but you still have to sign up the credit card. For simplicity, we're just going to use the default SAPI 5 in Windows. Comes with two voices, very, very fancy. David and Zira sound like wonderful people. But after we've selected SAPI 5, we're going to head to voice aliases. And you'll notice that currently there's nothing here. We're going to leave it at application default. Nobody. I'm going to name this voice alias weirdo. And add it. Now that I've added it, I can select a voice. And I'm going to select David, because David sounds like a great guy. And press add. So now weirdo is associated with David. Turn it up a little bit, press test speak, you'll be able to hear it. Life is good. And now we're going to minimize so we can close out all this and head to OBS. Once we're in OBS, the only thing we need to add for now is the application audio source, and we're going to call it SpeakerBot. Press OK. Then we're looking for SpeakerBot in that window. Press OK again. We're going to pull it back up just to do another test. You're not going to hear it on my video because I'm recording on a different version of OBS, but you'll see the volume bar move down at the bottom here. So that just confirms that the audio source has been added into OBS. The other thing you're going to want to do is press the little gear down here. Once you press on it, you'll notice SpeakerBot is set to monitor off. If you want to hear the TTS, you're going to want to put monitor and output. Very important, or you're not going to hear the TTS. Press close, and that's it. We're done with OBS. Next thing will be building an action in StreamerBot. Really simple. Right click, add. I'm going to call this Talk Dirty to Me. Okay. Sub action. Oh, I select Talk Dirty to Me. We're going to make a sub action here that is under SpeakerBot and Speak UDP. Guess you can't really see that because I'm in your way, but just know this is very important. The voice alias needs to be typed exactly the same as it was. So we're going to pull up our StreamerBot here, SpeakerBot. Named it Weirdo. You can copy and paste it if you don't trust your own typing abilities. Weirdo. And then your message, you're going to go % raw input %. Show you again, % raw input %. Voice alias matches, and then we're going to press OK. That's all we need to set up in that sense. And the last thing we're going to do is set up the channel point redeem trigger. So right click, Twitch, channel reward, and you'll see reward redemption. So Twitch, channel reward redemption. We're going to create a new award, and we're going to call it Talk Dirty. Very, 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 very important. You need to check this box, because this ensures that somebody actually types in the box. And then that's really, you can set this up however you'd like to. If you want to have max per user per stream, or if you want to put a cooldown on it so people aren't spamming it. Set the cost, yada, yada, yada. Press OK. So now we've got a channel reward called Talk 30 with a sub action. Under the action, Talk 30 to me. We're going to save, go back over to our OBS, open up our Twitch chat, and now we'll see Talk 30 is in here. Press it. Talk 30 to me. Enter. And you can see that it was just talking. That's it. Really was that simple. And just like that, we are f***ing done. 5 minutes of your day wasted to download Speaker.bot, tie your Twitch account to it, set up a speech engine, create a voice alias, and then get a channel point redeem for your sweet, sweet text-to-speech in your channel. Hope you enjoyed the mediocre content. If you do, hit that subscribe button. Stick around, come back next week. I'm sure it'll be an equally shitty video. Above all, though, make sure you share this with your friends, or people that say that you're friends, or people that pretend to be your friends, or somebody that you might just see in the streets. I don't know. Share the video, though. Share the love. Thanks, as always. See you next time, you f***ing maniacs.